My name is Christos. I'm the founder of the MFS Trade School here in Sanford, Orlando, Florida. And today I want to talk to you about a very niche trade that is actually enforced by fire inspectors throughout the United States, a trade that not too many people know about. It's brand new. It's actually called Restaurant Appliance Steam Cleaning. The code that changed everything is actually here. The NFPA Code 96, is the National Fire Protection Association, wrote this code, 12.7.2. Cooking equipment that collects grease below the surface, behind equipment, flue gas exhausts, such as griddles, deep fat fryers, or charbroilers, shall be inspected and if found with grease accumulation, cleaned by a properly trained, qualified, and certified person, acceptable to the authority having jurisdiction. So the restaurants can't even clean their own appliances. The grease that builds up and the carbon buildup, this is so tough to get out. The workers cannot clean that. Some of these restaurants have 3, 4, 5, 10 years worth of grease. As that grease buildup becomes the instrument that starts the fire in a restaurant kitchen. Fire inspectors are enforcing every restaurant to clean their appliances. Now appliance cleaning in restaurants is government mandated. We teach a course that will actually show you how to start your business in restaurant appliance steam cleaning. And this is gonna build you a multi-million-dollar business because no one is doing it right now. It's all online course. So what kind of money can you make cleaning appliances in a restaurant, you may ask? Each appliance is gonna take you about an hour to clean. Most restaurants have 4 or 5 different appliances. Now you can charge anywhere from $400 to $600 per appliance. So you're looking at $1,500 to $2,000 for a night in cleaning appliances, okay? You will need 2 people. That is a very profitable and lucrative business to get into. You can find us on www.mfstradeschool.com. You won't regret it. Look into this opportunity, do your due diligence, and you will see this is something solid that you need to get into. Thank you for watching.